So guys, if your website is still using basic forms and someone on your team has to call every lead just to see if they are actually interested, that's a problem. Not because forms are bad, but because your competitors are already talking to their leads in real time. Today I'm testing Astra by Wati. It's an AI agent that qualifies leads automatically on your website. My name is Daniel, and in this video I am going to show you how to create your first Astra agent from scratch, customize how it interacts, teach it how to talk to your visitors, and install it on your site. And then we'll test it live, so you can see how it qualifies leads, answers questions, and sends everything straight into your CRM automatically. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Alright, let's jump in. So guys, if your website is still collecting leads through regular forms, and then someone on your team has to manually call each person just to figure out whether they are even a real potential customer, you've got a problem. Not with the forms, but with the fact that while you're sleeping, your competitors are already talking to their leads in real time. Today I'm testing Astra by Wati. It's an AI agent that automatically qualifies leads right on your website. And folks, I mean, it's not a chatbot with pre-written answers, but a real AI SDR that understands context, asks the right questions, conversationally qualifies your visitors, and filters out the just-looking people from the ones who are ready to buy. Now, folks, I'm going to show you how to build an agent like this from scratch, train it to talk to your visitors, and automatically send qualified leads into your CRM. Alright, let's start, my friends. I am clicking Create Agent and entering the link to the website I want to use to build it. Here you can see the Agent Setup panel, where it extracts information from your site and analyzes its structure. And here are the agent settings. The website it will connect to. Agent display name. I'll name it Catalpa Realty, same as the company. There's a placeholder welcome message here. I'll change it to what fits my agent better, guys. You can also replace, remove, or add conversation starters. These are the opening questions your agent can ask. So basically, you can adjust both the welcome message and the conversation starters, so they fit your business perfectly. They already sound pretty natural from the visitor's point of view, so that part looks good. And this is what the chat widget will look like, folks. You can also tweak the Powered by Astra footer branding. I'm going to leave it as is. And you can change the visual style, even though the system automatically picks a color theme based on your website. Next, in the business context settings, you'll see brand name, brand URL, and the About brand description. You can also set your deal value. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Here's what my settings look like, guys. Now let's save the changes and click Install Agent. And here it gives us the API key. You can install it either in Spotlight mode or as a standard widget. You can add it to any website using a script inside the body tag. You can also install it through Google Tag Manager, Lovable, Webflow, and other platforms. My site runs on WordPress, so I'll take this installation code snippet and insert it using a code snippet plugin, or through the child themes functions.php. Alright guys, and now after adding it to the site, I can see the widget, so I'll go on and test it right away. For example, let's choose this option. And the agent starts the conversation. I'll let it know that I am looking for a residential property, and it gives me property options directly from the site. It analyzes the content and finds, for example, an apartment that fits what this investor might be looking for. It also immediately suggests follow-up questions like, what are the property amenities? Or, can you provide more locations? Let's ask something like that, folks. And the agent responds that it can't provide that info because it's not available on the website. You can ask more questions, but the important part is that the lead is already captured and it won't get lost. I'll ask it about something I'm interested in, and it gives me options that match my request. You can open the details too. And this is how the conversation works inside the widget. I can go back to the dashboard, check the agent's knowledge source, where it pulls info from, view the agent instructions, and test it right there in the dashboard. You can also see how it will look in Spotlight mode, or switch to widget mode and preview the desktop and mobile versions. There's also a voice agent option, and this is where things get interesting, folks. Wati recently released a major update to Astra called Astra Vibe, changing how AI agents are built. With Astra Vibe, you simply describe the agent in natural language, and the system generates optimized instructions automatically. I create a new agent, choose a template like Wellness Support Assistant, select a web widget with text and voice support, and enter my website URL. Astra Vibe scans the site and updates the agent's knowledge. After approving the changes, I install the agent on my site and launch it right away. Now, mates, I enable voice mode and start speaking naturally. Hi, I'm looking for a 2-bedroom apartment in downtown area. My budget is around $400,000 to $500,000. I need parking and preferably near good schools. The agent immediately switches into a real conversation. It greets the visitor, asks clarifying questions, and keeps the dialogue moving like a human sales rep. It understands the user's needs, budget range, preferred locations, and even secondary requirements like parking or proximity to schools. As the call progresses, it collects contact details, confirms email and phone number, and smoothly moves the lead toward the next step, like booking a viewing or arranging a follow-up call. It's the same Astra agent, now qualifying leads through natural voice conversations in real time. And here are our collected leads, guys. This works like a CRM that gathers them all. It marks this one as a cold lead since they came in cold from the site. You can also look at the conversations, how the agent responded, what the user asked, and also get analytics for our leads. So this is the platform that didn't take long to set up, but now the website has an automated lead qualification system. And my friends, you no longer need to manually collect leads. Everything goes straight into the sales agent. Wati just dropped a major update to their Astra platform called Astra Vibe, and it completely changes how you build AI agents. Let me show you why this matters, folks. Traditionally, creating an AI agent meant manually writing complex technical instructions. You either needed coding expertise or had to work with developers through multiple iterations. It was time-intensive and frustrating if you weren't technical. Astra Vibe flips this. You describe what you want in plain English, and Vibe transforms it into optimized AI instructions automatically. It analyzes your input, understands the context and intent, then generates production-ready instructions and suggests optimal actions. This means domain experts can now create agents directly. If you're running a real estate business and know your sales process inside out, just describe it naturally and Vibe handles the technical translation. No developers needed. The speed difference is huge. What used to take multiple refinement cycles now happens instantly with standardized, optimized output from the start. This fits into what Astra solves as a platform. Right now, most businesses run on dumb digital infrastructure. A potential customer lands on your site at 10 p.m., ready to buy, but gets generic FAQ bots and forms that go nowhere. They leave, and you've lost a high-intent opportunity. Astra lets you deploy AI agents that actually think, remember, and converse across every channel. These agents handle sales, support, education, or healthcare with domain-aware intelligence and shared memory across all touchpoints. With Vibe, creating these agents is simple. Just say, create an AI agent to qualify inbound leads, or build an agent that helps patients book appointments, and within minutes it's built and activated. Guys, these agents don't just chat, they act. They book meetings, check inventory, send messages, trigger CRM updates, and hand off to humans when needed. Vibe removes the technical barriers to building intelligent customer interactions that work around the clock. Alright guys, that's Astra by Wati in action. Honestly, it's one of the easiest ways to add real-time lead qualification to your website without hiring a whole team or spending hours chasing cold leads. You set it up once, and from that moment on, every visitor gets an instant, smart conversation instead of a boring form. And I'd love to hear from you guys. What kind of agent would you build first? Real estate, e-commerce, coaching? Drop your ideas in the comments, I always read them. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.